Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salma Dendrotulaili. So today I'm going to explain about syntax. As we had known as well that syntax is the scope of linguistic study. That syntax is the study of the structure of sentences. Syntax can explain a science that studies the structure of sentences, clauses, and phrases that composed of a number of words. Syntax has to do with how words are put together to build phrases, with how phrases are put together to build classes or bigger phrases, and how classes are put together to build sentences. In short, syntax is one of linguistics that examines how words can be phrases, clauses, and sentences. Syntax divided to several categories. There are lexical categories, non-lexical categories, syntactic classes, generative grammar, semantics, and meanings. A series of words in a phrase, clauses, or sentence can be identified one by one through syntactic categories. Syntactic categories are also known as word classes or part of speech. This is the traditional term to describe the different types of words which are used to form sentences, such as noun, pronoun, and so on. The first one is the lexical categories that consist of noun, verb, adjective, preposition, adverb, and then the second one is any non-lexical categories that consist of a determiner, auxiliary, conjunction, and degree word. And the next is syntactic classes. Syntactic classes divided into four, namely words, word phrases, clauses, and sentences. And any generative grammar that used for the formation of tree diagram structure that function to describe the syntactic class structure in order to know the syntactic category and the meaning in the syntactic class. For example, is the sentence "The cat sat on the chair." The sentence can be broken down like this. Alright, look at the picture. Alright, you can see the picture. The top of the diagram, the top of the tree diagram, any sentence, and then the below of the sentence is the fight to two kinds, that a noun phrase and verb phrase. The first one is noun phrase. You can see that the noun phrase that consists of determiner and noun. The cat, the is determiner, and cat is the noun. And then the verb phrase is consists of verb and noun phrase, and prepositional phrase. The verb is sat, and the prepositional phrase consists of preposition and noun phrase. The preposition is on, and the noun phrase is the chair. The is determiner, and the chair is the noun. Alright. Knowing how to draw tree diagram is useful and will help you understand sentence structure. After this step, the words are grouped together to determine which part of the sentence are noun phrases, prepositional phrases, or verb phrases. A tree diagram has the function to reveal each part's purpose within the sentence. We can conclude that syntax means a set of grammar rules on words or clauses in forming sentences. Usually, we see syntax elements in word or clauses, which we usually refer to as subject, verb, and object. Subject, verb, and object and syntax rule are always in order. At the same time, in some cases, syntax rule allow other words or clauses such as adverb or description that define the subject, verb, and object to be added. So, in short, syntax is the study of how language express relationship between words. Is to put the words in a consistent order to tell us who did what to whom. So that's all from my explanation. Sorry if I made many mistakes. The last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.